Hey.
Toast.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm not with a picture.
Nope. Got nothing but crab over here.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Now give one front.
As promised, I'm doing vacation vlogging. That's my dad in the background.
I'm finally tall enough.
We're in Morro Bay right now at a place, one of my favorite restaurants in the world, called Giovanni's Fish Market, where they catch everything right off this pier and then cook it. It's all deep fried and amazing. Got Morro Rock, which almost looks like a painting when you're here in real life.
That would be in there.
Yeah, there's my dad pointing to it.
Historical reference to Volcano.
Hey Dad, what did they put on top of this? Is it chili powder?
I think so. I can't stop laughing at this album cover. I feel like that's the face of a liar. Excitement in the hotel room. This is my favorite music shop in the world. It's called Lightning Joe's Guitar Heaven. It's in Arroyo Grande, California. If you're ever out here and you're a musician, fucking come. So apparently there's a whale out there somewhere that everyone keeps saying, but I've yet to see.
That would be true.
That is an army of seagulls that have amassed and are waiting to attack. Planning a strike.
Oh, look at you! Hey, you've got 4 of a kind. I'm rolling again, man. You're looking at a Yahtzee, girl. That poor guy, he didn't know what to do.
The TV in our hotel is broken and they don't know how to fix it, but I'm about to get satisfied.
Something is wrong.
Oh my god. This is Dad's
I've never
pop.
seen a bag constrict. It's constricted.
It deflated.